2025 Toyota Camry. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light. This will probably be good for 2026 and a few other models. I'll put it in the description. So we're going to be using these buttons right here, these arrow buttons and the OK button. And when you push up or down on when it's just on the regular menu, there'll be a tiny little bar menu that pops up. I'm going to go ahead and get closer to the dash so we can see. Okay, so push down or up. Now there's that little bar menu right there, and you're going to want to go to the gear, and when you're on the gear, push the right arrow all the way across until you land on that car with the gear on it, and then push OK. Push and hold OK. Now it'll come right here. Now we're going to push the down arrow and go all the way down to oil maintenance. Push and hold OK. It'll say, hey, do you want to reset the data? Go up to yes, push and hold OK. Reset complete. And then if you hit the back button, which is that curved arrow, you could go to scheduled maintenance too, and then reset that if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and reset that. Reset complete. And then to get back to the main menu, you just push the return arrow a few times. Just like that. And then it should take you back home. You can also push the left button all the way over to go back. But that's pretty much it, guys. Pushing the down arrow too will get you back to the bar menu, and then if you push the return arrow, that'll get it off the screen. So hopefully this helped you out. If you could shoot me a subscribe, that'll be cool. I'm trying to reach 100K. Other than that, thanks for watching.